Hi. Before I go to bed, I've got jet lag. I want to quickly tell you something. Love is not static. Love is not static. We all grow, we all transition, we all mature, we all change. Change, they say, is the only constant thing in life. You better make sure that your significant other has the capacity to love you through all the seasons that you go through. Who you are at 25, what your priorities are, what your values are, what your interests are will not be the same when you're 45. They will not. Imagine if you were taking a bike ride. As long as you're on the straight and street, everything is fine. As soon as you need to make a turn, imagine if you were making a left turn. As you lean that back towards the left, you expect, if you're sitting on the bike with someone else, as you lean towards that right to initiate that turn, you expect that the person will tilt to the left a little bit to make that turn a little bit easier. Imagine if you were making that left turn and the person sitting behind you is tilting their body to the right. You're likely to lose balance. So you need to make sure that your significant other understands the core of who you are remains the same. It's just that you are a different version of yourself as you get older. You probably were loud and you like loud music, but as you get older, you like something soft. You probably like to go out all the time, but as you get older, you want to stay home a little bit more. Your central core, your center, the core of you, it's the same, but the extremities differ, will differ. So as you transition, they can't love you when you were 25, love you when you were 30, and then not love you when you're 45 and 50. Love is not static because human beings are never static. Love has to be deep enough, strong enough, and flexible enough to engulf all of who we are as we enter all into our own respective spaces. Love is not static. Stay blessed.